Okay, so we got the wheels on. Got a few small issues. I mean, better than I thought it was gonna be. So we got everything on. Everything looks good. It's parked kind of uneven right now. Uh, the gap in the front's a little bit tall because of the way it's parked on level ground. It sits really good. After getting these on the car, I mean, the car is so big, I think we could have went with 19s without any problem. But these 245/40 18s do have a little bit more sidewall, a little more cushion. We had one problem over here with this back one, and the back one has a leak around the bead. I don't know why that is. Put them on and being real careful. I don't know, might have to pop that one back loose and see if maybe there's a little piece of dirt in there. I really don't know. We shouldn't have had that issue. The center caps off the old wheels did fit right on these wheels, and they're aftermarket center caps. They're not too bad of shape. They're not perfect, but it kind of is what it is. So other than that, the E60's up and running. You can see everything's running good, looking good. We had not cleaned the outside yet at all, and we're working on the headlight lenses in here right now before we can reinstall the front bumper. We have to complete that. The headlight lenses, we got these some Beamer Jakes from Amazon. I'm not entirely happy with them, and I'm going to show you why. So here's what we had to do. We had to take the Dremel, we had to cut the old ones off, right? So in theory, what we could do, once we got that much done, we could take a screwdriver and pry that out. Might be able to take the heat gun, get all that crap out of that groove. The few things we had some issues with, where did I even put it at, is this piece is actually glued to the outside lens, which we just popped the glue off. That's not that big of a deal as long as you line it up good, putting it back in. That goes like that. The worst problem is all the other lenses I've seen had the LED strip installed on top. Well, these lenses don't have that, and that's all glued in. So I'm gonna have to try, you can see here the glue line on the inside. You have to try to heat that up and try to pry that out. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. But here's the new lens, and you can see on top it doesn't have the strip or nothing in it. That's the only thing that worries me. I can't tell how good they fit at the state I am right now, but while we're in here, we'll look at the wiring. And these had a problem these years with the coating breaking up. So I think what we're gonna do here, we got some heat shrink. We'll probably, I think we could just unplug that. We'll slide the heat shrink down over, it should be big enough, and we'll recoat those wires. The wires over here look fine. I think it was only going to this light over here where the issue was these up here too, wasn't it? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we'll have to do some work on them. It's definitely not going to be an easy task whatsoever. Do I regret doing this? I mean, it pretty much had to be done. We still have so much to do. If this comes out pretty easy, if I could take the heat gun and heat it up and bust, pull that out of the crack, maybe. But the reason why I had to take it apart, because the other one had one of the lenses, had this lens was laying down in the light. So, something had to be done. We'll have to re-glue that back in. That's not that big of a deal. We'll definitely make sure everything's functioning correctly before we put them back in, clean everything up so there's no dust left in them. But we had to take a Dremel and a cutoff wheel and cut that off. So, I don't know. Definitely a lot of man hours in that. Oil leak is totally done. There's a little bit of antifreeze on the mat from that. No more leaking oil. Everything overall is going pretty good, I would say. I just drove it around the field a little bit. Everything drove great, but we're probably gonna have to pull that tire back off and fix that. I just don't see that ever sealing up. I don't know why it is, but I think we're almost down to I would say exterior ordering badges. We need to pull it over by the hose, give it a real good hand scrubbing. You can see it has one little hell ding right there. You can barely see it. Do a massive exterior cleaning, and other than that, I need to sort out what's going on with that third brake light. It does not work, and it's all siliconed in there. So I might have to get me a new one of those and this badge back here is not correct. So I don't know. I mean, overall, not that big of a deal. Been pretty busy. Just got time to work on this today a little bit. Been cutting brush. We're gonna try to form that stuff up. I'll go down Monday to get stuff to form it up with for the next concrete pour, and that's it. Really not much going on. I don't have any how-to videos. I don't have any kooky suction cup dent removal videos that get 1 million views. Just this is what's going on. But I guess I'm gonna go watch a live stream. foreignmre.com is doing a live stream tonight, so go watch them for a little bit. I think we have to shoot some other videos, and I don't know. That's it. Hope you like the wheels. Have a good day.